Hey, how you doing? Nice to see you. Welcome back. Let's talk about what happened in the last week. Every day I literally work my ass off to improve the garage workshop. So let's get started with the 23rd of January. So I went into the workshop that I'm gonna make some product review, as you can see. And I did not like what I've seen. I told myself, listen Dave, you talk about lifestyle and organized stuff and tidying up your workshop look like a mess. And I told myself that you need to change this immediately. So I put the effort what I could in to organize the stuff over there. So first of all, I had this free assortment box to sort out the screws and all the other things. Things happened so fast that immediately I came up with the idea to use another furniture panel to sort out the accumulator operated power tools. So I started with the boxes and I continued with the power tools simultaneously. These assortment boxes worked like magic. I was really satisfied with the end result. A lot of This is a big improvement. As you can see, the workshop is in further development. Use the available resources as best as you can. It's not bad. It's improving, but we're gonna get there. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. You heard the man, use the available resources as best as you can. And yes, I can. So here are the end results for day number 1, ladies and gentlemen. Just have a look. Now let's continue with day number 2. I managed to finalize the shelving unit on the right, also its content. There have been 2 crates with all sort of miscellaneous items that have been removed as well. Also the scrap wood. I managed to put it on a basket. The real happiness came when I decided I will rescue this old sofa armchair. Actually, this is from my childhood. This is at least 30 years old or more. Oh, this is a close-up actually how I designed this panel, and on the bottom there are the accumulators or batteries. There's the charger, and further up show you the tools by themselves. It's easy to take it off, easy to put it back. Now here comes day number 3. In this particular day I refurbished the rolling work tables. They've seen a lot of a lot of things through the years. Some belt sanded. The panels, also the top, and I treated with linseed oil. Some of these wood panels are reclaimed from my first ever work table that I built in around 2010 or 11. So that table is still with me, or at least some parts of it. Let's get into day number 4, the 28th. It's nothing fancy. I used another furniture panel to fix the clamping pliers on, the metal ones, the plastic ones. Now actually I got those 800mm ones, so it's sort of a payment, so I'm glad I got those. I had to refurbish it, of course. After that I had an idea, let's make another panel for the safety gear, for ear protection and the eye protection. And I came up with this design. Simple but effective. And Sunday itself, day number 5. Actually this day was tough. I wanted to make a rolling trolley for my workpieces that I will work on, and I removed some furniture panels because the high humidity. And I started thinking that what resources I have, how should I use it to have a functional trolley, and how should I design it so it will serve my needs. So I came up with this design, an idea. It worked out pretty well. That middle divider is actually pressure fitted, so it's not fixed, it's adjustable to what sort of workpiece I'm working on. And here are the results that I'm really proud of. Also for the fast-paced directive. Did you see that bag in the corner? Well, I help you out. Look at this. This one. It's a really interesting thing in it. This will be our first historical equipment project. This will be some sort of holder, display. Well, if you don't want to miss it, and why would you? Then stay tuned then. Have a nice one.